What up, guys? I'm gonna do a quick little video here. If you're having problems with your alternator on your 300D, and at least you think it's the alternator, I suggest changing this $22 volt regulator that's on the back of your alternator, which is located down here below your turbo. So you're gonna want to take your turbo intake boot off to get some access from the top. And then what I did is jack up the front of the car to get clearance and set up some cardboard and crawled underneath. You're going to need an 8mm socket on your ratchet, and then you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. That's all you will need as far as tools and a lot of patience. At first it may be tricky to get it out, but it should come out once you get those two flatheads off. The piece should pop right out, and then what you're gonna do is put this back in and see these contacts wear. See the old one, how much worn down they are? There's nothing left. The new one is got a lot more contact, and what that does is prevents your battery from charging. So change this part and save the money on the alternator, and this should fix your battery problems. Okay guys, take care.